Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two top-notch dash cams that will take your driving experience to the next level. On the left, we have the Vantrue N4 Pro, the reigning champion of dash cams. And on the right, we have the Cosuvow dashcam, the underdog, ready to prove itself. Let's dive right into the comparisons and find out which dashcam will reign supreme. When it comes to capturing those important moments on the road, video quality is paramount. The Vantrue N4 Pro boasts a stunning 4K resolution thanks to its Sony Star VIS-2IMX 678 sensor. It's like having a Hollywood movie camera in your car. The Cosuvow dashcam also offers 4K resolution, but with its advanced StarVis sensor. It's no slouch either. Now let's talk about connectivity. The Vantrue N4 Pro comes equipped with Wi-Fi and GPS, making it easier than ever to access your recorded videos and share your epic road trip moments with friends and family. Plus, it supports OTA firmware updates, so you'll always have the latest features and performance improvements at your fingertips. Now let's dig into those extra features that make these dash cams stand out from the crowd. The Vantrue N4 Pro offers a 3-channel recording option, allowing you to capture footage from the front, interior, and rear of your vehicle simultaneously. It's like having 3 sets of eyes watching your back. Last but not least, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, price. The Vantrue N4 Pro comes with a higher price tag, but considering its exceptional video quality, advanced features, and durable build, it's definitely worth the investment. You get what you pay for, folks. The Vantrue N4 Pro is praised for its powerful camera system, high-resolution recording, GPS tracking, night vision technology, and useful features like motion detection and loop recording. On the other hand, the Cosuvow dashcam is commended for its easy installation, clear video, quality, user-friendly app, and budget-friendly price. Both dashcams have their strengths and are highly recommended by reviewers. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the Vantrue N4 Pro and the Cosuvow dashcam in various categories, from video quality to connectivity and additional features. Ultimately, the choice between these two fantastic dashcams comes down to your personal preferences and budget. Don't forget to check the links in the description below to find the best prices and deals for these dashcams. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product comparisons and smart buying tips. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you next time.